Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today I am going to show you how to make pork satay. You can find pork satay all over the streets of Thailand. This is a great barbecue. Delicious and fun to eat. Let's get started. For the marinade, slice the pork loin into thin strips. Set aside. In a blender, add lemongrass. Add shallot or red onion. Add garlic clove. Add galangal. Blend until smooth. Transfer to pork sliced. Add curry powder. Add turmeric powder. Add sugar. Add salt. Add thin soy sauce. Add ground black pepper. Add coconut milk. Stir to mix well. Add vinegar. Vinegar will make pork softer. Mix well. Skewer the meat onto bamboo skewers, lay them flat on a container, then refrigerate for overnight, or just cover and refrigerate overnight, then skewer the meat. For the peanut sauce, in a small pot on medium heat, add cooking oil. When oil is hot enough, add masaman curry paste. Add red curry paste. Stir to mix well. Add coconut milk a little bit at a time, keep stirring constantly, until mix well. Add plum sugar or coconut sugar. Stir until palm sugar is dissolved. Add salt. Add tamarind juice. Add soaked bread. This is secret, will make the sauce thickens. Keep stirring until mix well. Add ground peanuts. Simmer for a few more minutes until it has thickened. stirring frequently to prevent the bottom from scorching. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Turn off the heat. Set aside. For cucumber pickle, add water. Add vinegar. Add sugar. Add salt. Bring to a boil and cook just until the sugar is completely dissolved. Let cool completely. Place the cucumber, shallots, and chilies. Pouring the cooled vinegar mixture over the vegetables. Preheat the grill to medium. Place pork skewer on the grill. Brush the top side of the skewers with coconut milk. And grill until it is halfway cooked. Flip the skewers and brush the top side of the skewers with coconut milk again and grill the other side just until done. These are small and thin skewers and should only take a couple of minutes to grill, so watch them carefully and do not overcook them. To serve. Place pork satay in the plate. Place peanuts sauce. Place cucumber pickle. Enjoy.